Mushoo. Oh, the rain's starting.
Oh.
Oh, looks like we've got a good old scratch on the side. Oh, man. Poor Moo. I'm sorry.
Mushoo.
He's sad that we don't have any food for him. See, there's two plum trees, the two ones right here on the far ends with the white flowers.
Look at all the chickens going. They're like, bye.
Like during the summer, they grow, so I'll usually pick a few.
Oh, look at this one.
Like I'll come out and get one, and then give him a couple.
Where's Mushoo gonna go now that it's raining? Under the tree with them?
Yeah, they go under there. Or there's a little.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh wow, it's coming. Moo, moo.
Bye, guys.